Hi everybody, you're watching NDTV Swirlster and today I have with me the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Oxy Blast Oxygen Energizing Facial. This is a DIY skincare kit for a facial at home. It contains 7 steps in this facial and all of the products required for those steps are all included in this so that you can do a facial at home for yourself and by yourself. Now this kit right here has a number of ingredients used in it which include aloe vera extract and vitamin E, which are made to replenish any oxygen lost by your skin as well as to repair damage and to restructure your skin so that it is bright and energized. Now this facial kit is best used for dull, dry and mature skin but is not suitable for skin with rosacea, sensitive skin and acne prone skin. So I am going to show you close-ups of this facial kit as well as my thoughts on it, so keep watching. The Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Oxy Blast Oxygen Energizing Facial Kit comes in a cardboard package like so. Now at the back of the package are details about the product which are included inside. Now these are the 7 steps of the facial at the back and the products for each of the 7 steps are included inside. One is a cleansing gel, a peel, a serum, an oxygenator, a mask, a cream and another mask. So that is 7 steps in all. I am going to open it up and show you what they look like inside. This is how each of the products come. They come in a plastic sachet like so, and you can see all of them are included in the same manner inside. Now this is what each of the sachets look like. As you can see, they are very neatly labeled. There is step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. All 7 sachets are here and can be utilized easily in this manner. All you have to do is snip it open and directly use it on your face. There are also details mentioned on each of the sachets in case you are cautious about it. So this, for example, the cleansing gel is suitable for all skin types. The second step, which is the deep peel, may not be suitable for sensitive and acne prone skin. So if you are facing problems like that, you would have to skip that. So the details are very precisely mentioned on each of the sachets and the directions for them are also mentioned. On each one, there also is the added detail of the active ingredient. For example, in step 5, which is the deep penetrating mask, vitamin E is the active ingredient in this mask. In step number 6, arbutin is the active ingredient, and each of the steps is also mentioning what it does to the skin. For example, the final step, which is step 7, the active ingredient here is aloe vera as well as Canadian willow herb. So it mentions that this step tightens and brightens the skin instantly. In the other step, the same details are also mentioned. Another example is in, say, step number 3, the skin oxygenator. It is mentioned to use after cleansing as it makes the skin look fresh. Those are details about the sachets. Now that you have seen the close-ups of the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Oxy Blast Facial Kit, here is what I thought of it. I like the aspect that it gives you the freedom to do a facial for yourself, by yourself at home. There are so many minute details that go into this kit for the active ingredients used, the kind of skin it should and it shouldn't be used in, but I like that the trouble has been made and the details have been placed in such a way that it simplifies the process entirely. For one, each of the products, there are 7 in all in this kit, and each of them comes so neatly packaged in individual sachets. Each of them is very securely packaged and is not prone to any kind of exposure to outward elements because of the way that they are nicely and firmly packaged in little plastic sachets. Apart from their packaging, they are also very well detailed. So each of the 7 steps, like you saw from the close-ups, has more details about the active ingredient used in each step, as well as what that particular step does for your skin. It also includes what each step is good for in terms of skin type. So if it is suitable for a particular skin type, you can proceed with using it, or if it isn't suitable, you can probably skip that step. So it is, I think, in the finer details that this facial kit does really well. I have found after using it that my skin really did feel quite bright and very refreshed. Even quite instantly, it did fare very well, and overall I think using this kit was very easy and hassle free and emulated a facial experience very well at home. So that is what we think of this facial kit today.